Welcome to Swaljak channel. Today we're going to discuss about a lot of things. Smallest and largest things in this world. So this is an amazing video. You have to watch the videos till the end. It is an important video. Let's start the video. Knowledge world category: general knowledge, basic general knowledge. Largest continent: Asia. Largest ocean: Pacific. Largest river: Amazon. Largest river basin: Amazon. Largest lake: salt water, Caspian Sea. Next page about GK. Largest lake: freshwater Lake Superior. Largest bay: Hudson Bay. Largest gulf: Gulf of Mexico. Largest sea: South China Sea. Largest peninsula: Arabia. Largest island: Greenland. Largest country in India: Russia. Largest country in population: China. Largest airport is Dubai. Largest mosque: Shah Faisal Mosque. Largest embassy: Russian embassy. Largest church: St. Peter Rome. Largest desert: Sahara Africa. Largest library: US Library of Congress. Largest animal: blue whale. Largest land animal: the African elephant. Largest democracy: India. Largest park: Woodbelf National Park, Canada. Largest zoo: Gorgal National Park, South Africa. Largest island: Sea, Mediterranean Sea. Largest city population: Tokyo. Just toward the Great Wall of China. Largest railway station: Grand Central Terminal, New York. Next page. Largest university building: University of Riyadh. Largest steel plant: Nippon Steel Plant in Japan. Largest plant: Jupiter. Largest bird: ostrich. Largest seabird: albatross. Largest parliament: the National People Congress, Republic of China. Next page about UK. Largest cool desert: Gobi, Mongolia. Largest plateau: Ymir, Tibet. Largest mountain range: Himalayas. Largest states: States of Liberty. States of Liberty: New York. Largest bank: World Bank, Washington DC. Largest navy: USA, United States of America. Next page. Largest army: China. Largest air force: USA. Largest cricket stadium: Melbourne, Australia. Next page about smallest things in this world. So the really important smallest things in the world is smallest continent: Australia. Smallest ocean: Arctic. Smallest colony: Gibraltar. Smallest state: Vatican. Smallest bird: hummingbird. Smallest flowering plant: Vulva. Smallest plant: Mercury. Thanks for watching. This is the end of my video. If you like such type of videos, then please share, subscribe our this channel, because we are always uploading such type of videos. Our aim is to success your life to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care.